Yeah, come on, Maria. Come on. Thank you. How's it going in there? Good. All right. We've been through this before. You're on probation for criminal mischief, and probation office is here today with us. You were placed on probation last November 17th for criminal mischief. And that was for 5 years deferred. You were not found guilty. So that's a good thing. But now we've got a motion to revoke probation that has been filed alleging that you committed assault, bodily injury in December, which was a month after you were placed on probation, then failed to report to the probation office in December and February. Let's see, failed to provide verification of performing community service hours. A special amendment here, an additional one, you failed to submit to a mental health evaluation as directed by the court. What do we have to do that? Can we do that? Get that done while she's in custody? All right, that's what we're gonna do, if you'd be so kind. So here's the problem is that any of those, if it's proven true, then your probation could now be revoked and you could be sentenced up to 2 years in the state jail. How much time has she already had? You can't enjoy being there. You want to get home, don't you? Me too. We're going to find out how much time you have. So Mr. Adams is here, is your attorney. You've had a chance to speak with him, right? How's that going?
Good.
Good. You understand everything he says? Good, because he's a smart guy. He's a smart guy. So now you can is there an offer that's been made to try to resolve this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but let me ask you, there's restitution involved here, right? It's criminal mischief. Restitution, how much is it? Or is there not?
I got on here, it says $3,150.
Is that from restitution or is that for just fees and other probation fees?
Oh, that just, okay.
She didn't have restitution. Oh, okay. All right. Well, you got that off your back. Have y'all tried to resolve it?
Yeah,
Under these circumstances, she's just sitting in jail.
The offer was 1 year. I tried to convey that to her. I don't think she understood that. And then I asked her about what happened with Orange, the case of Orange, and she didn't understand what was going on in Orange.
So what's going on in Orange? Do you have another case pending in Orange County?
I do not think so.
You don't think so?
She,
What
because I
you found
wasn't
out?
exposed to up to still.
Did you find out? Well, so what's probation though?
I don't know anything. I just know.
Did y'all check on anything pending in Orange County that's above a Class C misdemeanor?
Yeah, she's arrested in Orange, December 18th for assault. She was staying at the Women's Center out there in Orange.
Oh, okay.
And she assaulted another, resident. And there she was released.
Shall they say? But I don't know how fast Orange moves on that, but I would think if it's something like that, they would probably move quickly. But could y'all look and find out?
I can
Into
do
that? She's got 266.
Absolutely.
She's just sitting in jail, 266 days now.
Do you want to see if this move came back? They forwarded it.
You know what we need is to find out
No, that's what.
that and also this Orange thing, what they're gonna do in Orange County. All that.
You don't know
needs to be
anything about
resolved.
it. Nothing about
No.
it.
Have you ever been evaluated for any mental issues before?
No.
No, never? Yeah. How far did you go to school? Did you graduate from high school? You did? Where?
Butter?
At Vider High School? And did you go to college or anything like that? Ma'am?
Sorry.
Okay.
See, that's what I was saying, Judge, with the difficulty with being able to kind of communicate. And I was thinking it was more of a mental health issue, but that's why I want you to see for yourself.
I don't know. You're not Rapon and neither am I, but from the probation, the experience you've had with her,
I have never met her.
you've never met her. Okay. What was the problem? Going to the meetings, you had to report. or else you're not on probation. You're not on my supervision. I don't know where you are. So you're not, if you're not reporting, that's the first thing you have to do. Yes, ma'am. So what are we doing about that? You gonna try and do that?
Yeah,
I mean, we help you. We help fix things.
Yeah.
Well, you got a great sense of humor about it. I'll tell you what. And you, did you grow up in Vider area? And you've never been evaluated for any mental issues before? Yeah, okay. You're certainly taking all this well. Certainly find it amusing. Well, here's what I'd like. What do I say? Stand by. Dr. Perpond evaluated her,
Just saying, just.
and she's confident. He knows. You did this in December.
I just want you to see for yourself. And
Right, but we did it for a reason. We had that done because everybody, I'm sure, convinced me that she's taking this seemingly lightly and giggles a lot, which I don't find that a bad thing. But well, there's not a lot of giggling here in this room,
No, sir.
except from the lawyers.
So then I can go tell my friends, there's a woman hitting on me today.
Sit down.
So big.
I think like every other person on the planet, is just different. And it's not different to a degree that
I'm sorry.
the man I trust would find her incompetent. She's just different. So we all are.
Well, that's true. That's
All right.
absolutely true.
I don't, I mean, he evaluated her, and he always does a thorough job. She can understand the legal proceedings, has the ability to communicate with her attorney. Is not in need of involuntary inpatient psychiatric treatment. She did report some psychosocial problems because, she's something kind of like a transient, but just dealing with it. You know, all of this shows that she's unique, different, but that doesn't mean that she's incompetent.
This is the turning point of the hearing. Up until now, everyone has been reacting to her behavior, laughing, smiling, and seeming unusually relaxed. But judges don't make competency decisions based on first impressions. They rely on expert evaluations. If this report says she understands the proceedings, then everything changes. Watch carefully, because the written evaluation is about to outweigh everyone's personal opinion.
That's true.
Or mentally ill. So we're going to stand by this, since this was just a few months ago. This evaluation. So what can we do? Try to resolve this motion, or instead of her hearing from me, but she's on deferred or unadjudicated probation. Is there something, and these are, the thing that I guess is the elephant in the room is what's going on with the case of assault in Orange County. Can we?
I'll follow up with it.
I'm going to give it 1 week just to check.
I gotta come back anyway, so how about
Thank you.
Monday?
We're going to reset this 1 week. Okay,
Perfect.
Miranda, thank you. Get you rolling on this.